Hi, my lovely viewers. How are you today? As Mother's Day is approaching, I thought of bringing some tips and ideas to you for a wonderful, budget-friendly Mother's Day celebration. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please share it with your friends and ask them to watch it in full to get and utilize the amazing ideas presented in this video. Will you? Well, the most important aspect of the celebrations is that Mother's Day isn't about how much you spend, it's about how much love you are able to show. Here are 20 powerful, heartfelt ways to celebrate a great Mother's Day without breaking the bank. You don't need a big bank account to make this Mother's Day unforgettable. You just need a heart. These are low-cost ways to make your mom feel truly loved. And trust me, these ideas work better than any expensive gift. 1. Write a heartfelt letter she'll never forget. Words are powerful, and a handwritten letter can bring tears of joy. 2. Cook her favorite meal at home. No fancy restaurant needed, just your effort, her favorite flavors, and love on the plate. 3. Give her a day of pure peace. No chores, no stress, just relaxation, because she's earned it 100 times over. 4. Fill a jar with gratitude. One note at a time, one reason you're thankful for. Let her feel the impact she's made. 5. Frame a memory. Take an old photo, print it, and frame it. It's more than decor, it's emotion. Plan a family picnic, even in your backyard. Laughter, snacks, and sunshine. These are the moments she'll treasure forever. Send her a video message from the heart. Far away? No problem. Record a message that she can replay whenever she misses you. Give her a home spa experience. With candles, soft music, and some DIY care, she'll feel like a queen. Take a phone-free walk together. Be fully present. That kind of attention is priceless. Make a 100 reasons I love you list. Be honest, be specific, and watch her eyes light up. Create a scrapbook of shared memories. Photos, movie tickets, notes. It's the story of your bond. Teach her something new she's always wanted to learn. Tech, crafts, or a simple trick. Empower her. Sing her favorite song, even if you're off-key. It's not about the voice, it's about the heart behind it. Host a fun home photo shoot. Dress up, get silly, and capture joy. Watch her favorite movie, with 0 interruptions. Her choice, her night, popcorn included. Plant something together, let it grow, let it remind her of this day. Hand make a beautiful card, crafted by you, kept by her forever. Help her declutter a space she's been avoiding. Make it fun, make it light. It's a way of saying, I've got your back. Start a new Mother's Day tradition. It could be a morning walk, journaling, or breakfast in bed. Build something beautiful that lasts. Be fully present. Look into her eyes. Tell her you love her. Don't scroll. Just be there. So my lovely viewers, this Mother's Day, forget the price tag. Give your mom your time, your effort, your love, because those are the gifts she'll never forget. Do you want more powerful, life-changing content like this? Like, comment, share, and subscribe right now, because love doesn't cost a thing, but your effort can change everything. Yes! Have a wonderful Mother's Day, my lovely viewers.